so I'm gonna have to wait a bit longer. Yeah, guys, as you can see, I think it's an A350 gonna land soon. No, sorry, it's Ibra. What is that? Wait, hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. That's a 717, guys. 717. I believe it to be. No, actually, no, it might not be. Nope, it's an A320. At least I guessed. So I know it's a 737. Oh, my guess. Oh, it's a 40, 30, 20, 10, 5, butter. Wow, very smooth. Oh god, where's the other one gone?
Oh, he had to delay himself so they don't.
Where is he? I can't see him.
Here is, what is this?
Oh, there he is.
You can't even see it. Look at the cotton field. You're in a cotton field. Careful.
Wait,
Yes, because there's cotton here.
Wait, sorry, now that's a 787. Oh my god, oh! There's lots of regional flights occurring today. For no known reason. Much likely to like Avalon or something like that. Oh fuck, what happened to my phone? Oh my god, my phone's got weird. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so they gotta do crosswind landings. A220, maybe A320. No, I think this one is an Embraer. Embraer. No, it could be an Embraer. Alliance Airlines, maybe. As it, yes, it's an Embraer. Sorry, no, that's an A330. Malaysia Airlines, boys! Malaysia Airlines! A330. 50. Look at its landing, it's going to be very smooth. Look at its landing, very smooth. Yeah.
The one from Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah, that's an A330.
I don't know what's that.
Airbus A330.
I took a slow-mo, but I don't know what's a slow-mo.
It's an A380. It's an Airbus A330.
Play in a slow motion.
Yo, no way. Those Malaysians coming to town be like, what the hell is this guy? That's taking photos of our plane. Oh, sorry. They also looking at the planes.
Alexei, come from here.
Nah. Hey, Moscow, Moscow. Drinking vodka all night. Hey, Moscow, Moscow. Drinking vodka all night. So yeah, that was probably one of our international highlights, guys. One of our international highlights. Okay, now we're gonna. This guy take off. It's becoming all jet stars and turn this up. We're gonna see today. I'm just lucky because I'm actually completed. Guys, see this planes. I really wanted to see a metroliner, however. So much wind on our direction. Oh, someone's coming. What's the time right now? I don't know what this is, guys. Maybe the A350. I don't know. Hopefully it's the A350. But I think it looks like a contest plane. No, yeah. I have a contest Jetstar jet version. Legend. Well, that was nice. Legend. What's the time right now?
Alex, 9:20.
Good. 5 minutes. Guys, so we're gonna be waiting 5 minutes for the A350. And then we might have to stop our broadcast. Depends on time, really. Don't worry, I will be sending Mr. WhatsApp. The photos, that's what I mean. I wanted to see one Embraer today. Search for one Embraer if it's gonna come. What?
Slow mo, so you can see it very slowly.
The MH flight. Yeah, guys, 10 years since MH370. Oh, in mid, someone taking off from the cargo docks. I think it's contest right. Shit. Nah, I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna do it like this, I guess. If you guys understand. I mean, I'm doing it just because I get a great view like this. Oh, fuck my eye. Oh, here he comes. Here is he. Here's our Airbus. The A350. Most likely. That boy. Here comes the big Vietnamese boy. Big chunky. No, it's got this. Here comes our contest Aussie. Aussie. Oi. Oi. He's gonna do a very hard landing. I'm doing that. I really want to do like 8 times, but I'm sorry, guys. So you guys gotta wait until like 4 times. As you can see, nothing else is around to guys who like jet stuff like. Haha, Kori kori yo, hang yo to. Shang fin ying ning, yang 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 fing.